Hi all, this is lecture series. In this lecture series, we seen about a term called applications of VR. In this video, we are going to see about a term. This is video number 3. In this video, we are going to see a term called Automobile Industry of VR. So, on previous video, seen about terms called recap, that is AR and public safety. The AR and public safety, we seen about terms called what is the definition, what is the core concept, what is the working concept, and what is the applications of using AR and public safety. That is, we seen about the applications of that is in AR in public safety. So in this we are going to see in first term is empathy. The first empathy is the number you are going to have two points. First is user and next is pain points. User says who and all going to use this thing. First one is number your design engineers are there, test drivers are there, customers are there, and marketing teams are there. So there's a pain points. The pain points number first is high cost and time in creating physical prototype. So once the car has been created, it has for creations it takes more time and more cost. In case if it doesn't need that prototype, it will be utter waste. So say next is nothing but your next is limited ability to test design under different real world condition. So if the car is been made, different condition takes more time and more cost. So there's insufficient collaboration between the design and production teams. So to this and all the thing we are going to have pain points and the user. So for this what we are going to say is nothing but in the different part we are going to have a needed for faster design and validation and error detection. So faster design should be made and error should be very less. So it needs to reduce production cost. So production cost should be less by minimizing the physical model should be there. So the production cost is less only by when you are ready at the physical models. So next is a demanding interactive customers experience before man. So based on a customer satisfaction, we are going to manufacture numerous number of cars. Okay. Next, you have an idea. We are going to design a VR based design studio for collaborative environment. What does the VR based design studio have? This VR based design studio have the thing that is we have a virtual test drive prototype evaluating. That is, we have a first thing we will have a virtual test drive for prototype for development. Next, we have VR training stimulation of technically on assembly of workers. Next, we are going to have VR showrooms for customer satisfaction. So we have 3 points for building VR based design studios. The first point says about your virtual test drives. So instead of having a numerous number of people going for test days and wasting the petrol or fuel charges, we'll be having to develop a virtual test days for prototype evaluation. Next, you are going to have VR training. For example, taking a new car, giving a training to a technician and making the faults. Instead of going to it, we are going to have a VR training simulators. We are going to give this VR training simulators used for technician and assembly workers for this change for a working for giving training. Next, you are going to have VR showrooms. This VR showrooms used for customer vehicle customization. So based upon the user need, based on what and all the person needs, it has been VR showrooms is being used. So this is what ideate part in it. This is your automotive industry. So what this is the main thing in the automotive we are nothing but the automotive industry involves immersive 3D simulation to design, virtualize, test before a prototype. Before a prototype is built, what we are going to do is we are going to design, we are going to visualize, we are going to test before the building of the prototype. What is the use of it? The main purpose is nothing but we are going to have reduce of cost and user satisfaction bin. So how does it do? It helps engineers, designers, customers to have experience vehicle virtually so that it saves cost, time and materials. So how does it do? It integrates the real-time stimulations, spatial design and human interaction virtual environment. So if the main purpose is nothing but you are going to save cost, save time and save materials. So next the main thing is nothing but you are going to integrate a real-time stimulation with spatial design and human interaction in virtual environment. So this is automobile industry of VR. Next, how does it works? It works based first you are going to have a 3D modeling system. This 3D modeling system will have a numerous number of model. So we have next you have immersive display. Next you have stimulation. Based on simulation, we are going to have numerous of feedback. Based on the feedback, we are going to numerous of activity, numerous of reformation will be done. So this is what working of VR is been done. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. So this is application. We have a industry called BMW, Ford 5, Jaguar, Land Rover, Audi will be there. So this is another prototype will be there. Okay, applications. So this is what we are industry there. So nothing but working is 3D modeling, immersive display, stimulation and feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.